Hey guys, it's the Squishy Monster. I hope everyone's had a great week so far. Today we're going to do a chai cupcake. And it's going to be topped with lots of cinnamon scented cream cheese frosting. Have you ever wondered what it tastes like to bite into a chai latte? This is it. So stick around and I'll show you exactly how to do it. The first thing you're going to want to do is steep your tea bags in some warm milk. And I'm using buttermilk here, but you can use whatever milk you'd like, especially if you're veggie. You can use soy or rice or hemp or coconut or whatever. And you're going to want to let that steep for about 5 minutes or so. And then I'm going to add in my spices directly to that. And that's my cinnamon, my cardamom, my ginger, nutmeg, cloves, and just a little grind, a baby grind of black pepper. The next thing you want to do is cream together your butter and your sugar, and I've already done that, and then I streamed in my pre-beaten egg, and I want to give that another whirl. When your sugar and your butter and your egg have come together really nicely, then you want to add in your applesauce or your yogurt, and whatever you want to use really works here. It just keeps the cake really moist. To that, I want to add in my spiced tea latte mixture. That's just my buttermilk and my tea that I steeped for 5 minutes at least, and then all of my spices, all that good stuff, and drizzle that in there, and you want to beat to combine as well. Right before I add in my dry ingredients, I'm going to dribble in just a little kiss of apple cider vinegar. That'll give it that nice tang, balance everything out. All we have to do now is sift in our dry ingredients. And that's just my cake flour, my baking soda, my baking powder, and my salt. And as always, do it in slow additions and make sure you don't overmix. Here we have our finished cupcakes, and y'all know how much I love cream cheese frosting. I could eat buckets of this stuff. So that's what I topped it off with, and just a fine dusting of cinnamon sugar on top just to set it off. And I hope you guys try this because it really is a beautiful combination between the soft and the spiced cake. And I hope y'all had a great week too, and thanks for hanging out with me today. Thanks so much again. This was the Squishy Monster, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!